This little green contraption takes the place of 4 fittings and is manufactured by Efficient Fittings. Let me explain. Will it interfere with the check valve of a rotor? Well, I've got a rotor right here that has a check valve in it, and I've got the fitting installed as far in as it'll go. Let's go ahead and put this together. This water line here is charged and ready to go. We'll go ahead and pop this in. Now, this line probably doesn't have enough pressure to pop this rotor. These rotors are designed to pop with a certain amount of pressure. So we'll go ahead and give it some assistance. As you can see, we've got water in the line. Water in the head, rather. Let's go ahead and cut this out of our way. Shut off the water. And let's see. Check valve still works perfectly with that efficient fitting. Go get some. I forgot to mention something. You see how that's still connected to the funny pipe right here, or the swing pipe, and I can't get it out? Well, normally we'd cut these off, but what you can do with these fittings is stick one inside of the other, and you can actually use it to unscrew or release this swing pipe fitting completely from the swing pipe and reuse it in another spot. So we're not throwing plastic in the garbage. These are used for both swing pipe and drip line pipe. That's why you see the 2 different size barbs there, and on the other end, 1/2 inch head, 3/4 inch head. All right, let's say somebody installed a rotor somewhere where a rotor shouldn't be installed, and you want to go ahead and put in a spray head. Well, normally we'd have to cut out the elbow to put in the appropriate size spray head, but with these, you take off the 3/4 inch rotor, and you could screw on a 1/2 inch spray head like so. Easy peasy. On the left, I have swing pipe. On the right, I have drip tubing. As you can see, the inside diameters are different, even though the outside diameters are very similar. That's where this fitting comes in on the larger part of the barbs. As you can see right here, I started pushing it in. And this is what the fitting looks like installed in the drip line. So whether you're using a rotor, a spray head, swing pipe, or drip pipe, one fitting does it all. Efficient Fittings. If you're an efficiency nut like me, then you're gonna love this little green fitting. Head over to efficient-fittings.com to place an order today.